The 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, power windows, child safety locks, power door locks, daytime running lights, reading lights. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.